Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Only Best, and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente Day. So guys, I promised you my last video I'll be bringing this particular lesson that we're about to treat, pannelli distanziometrici. Okay, so I told you in my last video I'll be bringing it, and here it is. Okay, so if you're just coming across my channel, you're welcome. Welcome to my class. And for my old subscribers, like I always say, I love you. Like, you're the reason I'm still doing more video. Okay. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always checking up on me. And God bless you. Okay, let's get started. This is pannelli distanziometrici. Okay. So when you see this pannelli, what is it trying to tell you? This particular pannelli. We're going to know where actually we can find it and what it's trying to tell us when we see it. Okay. Sono segnali di pericolo. These are periculous signs. They are dangerous signs, ok? E si trovano in prossimità di tutti i tipi di passaggi a livello. Now you find this particular pannello distanziometrici in all passaggio a livello. Either the one with barrier, the one with semi-barrier, and the one without barrier, senza barriere. You find this in all of them. Like it says here, it says con barriere, semi-barriere, e senza barriere. In tutti. All of them. You find this pannello in all of them. Okay. Servono ad indicare che ci si sta avvicinando all'attraversamento ferroviario. Now it serves to indicate, to tell you that you are close to attraversamento ferroviario, a train crossing where train to cross for road. You are close to that place. That is what it's trying to tell you. Sono posti di norma a circa 150 metri. Normally, it is being posted 150 meters prior to that place, before attraversamento ferroviario, before where you take see train cross the road. You are going to see this sign, 150 ahead. Okay. Tre barre rossa. Now, when you see it 150 ahead, what are you going to see? This particular sign, this one first, 150 ahead. Now, how are you going to understand it? How do you know? Okay, how do you know the actual meter when you see it? Now, when you see it with these three lines, these three stripes, 1, 2, 3, telling you 150, assuming this is 50, 50, 50, 150 ahead, I'm going to see where a train crossing is. Okay. Now, as you're moving ahead, you're going to see this particular one. Due barre rossa. What is it telling you? Just assuming 50, 50, 100 meter, you're going to see a train crossing. Remember, the first one is telling you 150 meter, you see a train crossing. The second, when you see it tells you 100 meter now, you see a train crossing. Then when you see this third one, which is just one, telling you that 50 meter, you are going to see a train crossing. When I say a train crossing, I'm not mean you're going to see a train coming. No. You're going to see a train crossing, attraversamento ferroviario, a passaggio a livello, a level crossing for trains. Where train tracks take cross the road, you're going to see it. Either the one that has barrier, the one that has semi-barrier, or the one that has no barrier at all, sensor barrier. You're going to find this one telling you ahead 150, this one first, telling you 150 ahead, you're going to see a train crossing on the road. 100 meter, this one is telling you, and the last one tells you 50 meter ahead. Okay, please remember. That's basically what it's trying to tell you. This pannelli distanziometrici, remember, you find it in all of them. The three kind of passaggio a livello we have: senza barriere, con barriere, semi-barriere. These three, you find this particular pannelli distanziometrici prior to the place where the train crossing is. Okay, then you find it, the first one, 150 meter ahead, announcing to you that you're getting close to a passaggio a livello. You find this two-way street, this stripe, two stripe, telling you 100 meter ahead now. You have passed 50 already. Now you have 100 to the place where it is. Okay. Then when you see the last one, which is this one stripe, is telling you it's just 50 meter. Like you're close, you're getting closer. Okay. That's basically what it's trying to tell you. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you know you liked my explanation, if you know I'm flowing to your understanding, please give me a like, okay? Give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you're not following me up to now, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, okay? You're not being charged for that. Please hit the subscribe button, and of course, turn the notification bell so that anytime I post any video, you'll be the first to get to know. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.